Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to hand applique a super sharp outside point. Let's get started. When appliquing, never start at an inside or outside point. I'm starting at a straight area as opposed to a curve. After I reach the tip of my point, I'm going to take a second stitch right over my original stitch, then give my remaining seam allowance a finger press, or in my case, a thumb press. Now, with a smooth motion, I'm going to turn my seam allowance under. The inside and outside points are the weakest area of any applique. The second stitch at the tip gives stability to the point, as well as providing a good foundation for the additional fabric that will be crammed into this tiny area. Now comes the magic. With a good pair of tweezers, I give the tip a good squeeze. This is going to make my point really sharp, as well as pressing all of the fabric underneath the point into the shape I want it to be. And there you have it, a super marvelous extra sharp tip. If you like this video, like it, share it, and head on over to my website at loopytulips.com. See you again next time.